Today we're going to be doing rubbing ears, hands, and feet. These are very simple exercises. What you do is you just apply massage to the area that we're rubbing. Starting off with the ears. If we rub on the outside part of the ear all the way down, and this is rubbing coins. This is like you've got your fingers rubbing against your thumb, but the ear's in the middle, like you're rubbing a worry stone, rubbing coins. And then we can press and pull down on the earlobes, activate our vagus nerve. And this gets circulation in the ear. This gets energy moving to the ears. This accesses the nerve bundles in the ears and connected to those nerve bundles like the vagus nerve. Put us into rest and digest mode. But also energetically, these lines run through the body. And something rubbed here might affect something in a far distant part of the body. Easiest way to do this is to not really worry about it, to rub where it's sore. So if it feels good or if it feels a little bit sore, go ahead and rub it. Get all the circulation going through it. And if it feels too sore to rub, you can rub around it, desensitize that area, and then move in a little bit and rub that area. Rubbing ears. Rubbing hands. The hands also represent a microcosm of the body. We don't really need to know everything about that, but we can use our thumb gem and press and push across the palms of the hand, in between the metatarsals. On the front and on the back. We can use these two bony surfaces here. We can hook with our fingers and we can rub along the back, along the front. We can take our knuckles, go across. And what I'm doing with the hands also applies to the feet, very almost exactly. And I'm wearing shoes today, so I will not be rubbing the feet. We can take and pinch the fingers in between the joints, on the sides, both directions. We can press against both corners on the base of the fingertips. We can take and pull and twist. We can take our fingernails and press in the ends of the fingers, not the finger pads, but the actual tips of the fingers. And that is rubbing ears, rubbing hands. Rubbing feet is the same way. The pad of the foot, you can rub back and forth with the knuckles, with the bony surfaces of the hands, with the thumbs. So that is rubbing ears, hands, and feet.